everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. So today I am going to make a video on the VMD software. So where we will see how to represent molecule in different formats, like one in kind of tube format and something in kind of ball and stick format. So that we will see like how to specify that this molecule we want to highlight and all. So those things we will see. So for that like we want a molecular file. So I'm going to our groups this GitHub account, and there we have given some solvation cell where like this is the recent paper that we have published, all those data related to that paper. So here I'm going to download this XYZ file which we will see in our VMD software. So now it's downloaded. So let's go to downloads, and here I will open the same using our VMD software. Let's check that. Okay, so here I am going to open this from downloads, this XYZ file, load. So as you can see that our this molecule is loaded. So now we can change this display format from this color. I want to change from black to white, and here we can do it orthographic, and this depth one I removed. Now in the representation we can make it from lines to CPK kind of format. Okay, now you can see this is our molecular structure. Okay, so now at this time what we will check, like we can see that there are three different kinds of molecules are present. Like three molecules are present. One is this one, and two are same, and one is different. So these two are solvent, and this is one anion. Okay, and this blue color one is sodium atom that is present, and around the sodium the solvent, and this salt molecule is surrounding. Okay, now so if I will here I want to tell you one thing, that when I will click on a particular atom, then that particular, like all the information about that particular atom will show up here. So we will see that. So to click on any atom in VMD, so you can do it like this. So for that you can press number 2. Like if you will press 2 in your keyboard, then you will be able to click on atom. So I am pressing 2 on my keyboard. Now you see this kind of cursor came. So if I will click over here, you see that I have clicked on this atom. Now all the information related to this oxygen atom is showing here. The molecule ID is 0, the name O, type O, index 30, residue 2, res name nothing, res ID 1. So this way all the different like values, like here the XYZ coordinate, everything related to this atom is showing over here. So what we have to check that whether this atom is belonging to any kind of like unique number or unique ID. So next what we will do, if I will click oxygen atom of this salt, that is this FSI. So I am clicking here. You see that according to this the residue came as 3, and here the residue came as 2, and if I will click any atom over this this molecule, you see the residue came as 1. That means this residue is unique in all this case, right? In the first case it was residue 2, in the second case it was residue 3, and in this one in the last one this is residue 1. That means each of these molecules are belonging to different residual group, and based on that all these numbers we are seeing, like 1 for this, 2 for this, and 3 for this. Okay, next here, like all our molecules are already represented in CPK format. So what we will do, we will create representation based on our residue id. So here I am writing residue, suppose residue 1. That means this molecule we want to, like this molecular representation we want to change it from cpk to something else. So here in cpk, so okay, first thing, what can I do? I can change the cpk to vdw, suppose. No, in this way, no. What can I do? Like when I am typing residue 2, suppose, or residue 1. Okay, so I have to create a representation first. Now I will do changes to this representation. So vdw, if I am doing, you see that only this molecule and this vdw is came. If you will reduce this, then you will be able to see, not too much reduction. Yeah, you see that this way you can reduce. Okay, let's not do this vdw, let's do something else, like lines. No, lines is not coming. Then polyhedra, yeah, polyhedra came. So this way whatever representation you want you can do. Or one thing you can do, like I'm clicking on this representation where all are represented in cpk, all you can do in line format. So this is showing because whatever we have clicked, like whatever atom I have clicked, all those things are coming out. So what you can do to remove that, same again, click over here, it will go down, like it will go cpk. If I will again do a click, so it will go from here to here, it is showing. So like that you can do, like all these I have shown in my previous lectures. I will give the link over here. Okay, so next here what we were doing, so instead of this we can do this tube format also. Then enter. Ribbon, no, it's not coming. Residue 2, we can do something. Why it's not happening? Yeah, for residue 2 it came, like vdw thing came. So this way if you will change this, now h bonds, or you can go to this type and then points, yeah, you can see that I have right now I'm doing over residue 2, and this way this bonds and all these things are coming. And I can change this to lines first, yeah, then after this I can do this to bonds, yeah, you see. So this way you can do, or this, or you can do it, click it to cpk. So first make all two lines, then you can click on a particular atom, and you see, like if you will click again, all these numbers will go up. Yeah, see, right now all are. So this way you have to do, and be careful that wherever you are clicking, you are doing the double click over that, so that it will vanish. Okay, so this way you can represent your molecule, like whatever molecule you want to show in a highlighted format, you can use this kind of representation, like make all into lines, then change a particular atom with the clicking over their residue id or residue number here, and make that representation. And here one thing is that if I will double click over here, one red line will appear. See, one red line appear, that means you have, right now this is in like not showing mode. Okay, so if I will again do another click, it is now in black color and it is showing. Okay, and if I will do the same thing over here, you see the the next representation went up and all are in the lines format. And if I will do another click, then it will come as the cpk format. So this way you can edit your atom, like molecules in any group, and yeah, this way you can represent your molecules and show them in your article. Okay, so this much for today's session. I hope you all are understanding. So thank you all, and bye bye.